10th Standard Max Common Quarterly Examinationக்காக previous various district question paper with detailed solution ஓட analyze பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கிறோம் from JK Tuition Center Madurai. இந்த மாதிரி various district question paper நீங்கள் நல்லா தரவா பார்த்துட்டனா you will get more than 90% of the marks கண்டிப்பாக வாங்க முடியும் students. Let us start part A question number 13. I am J Kumar. A straight line has equation 8y is equal to 4x plus 21. Which of the following is true னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. பாருங்களேன். So 8y is equal to 4x plus 21 divided by 8. அப்போ y is equal to 4x by 8 plus 21 by 8. Okay, அப்போ y is equal to x by 2 plus 21 by 8. Yes, compared to y equal to mx plus c. So m is equal to 1 by 2 which is equal to 0.1. m என்பது slope. Okay, so y intercept is equal to 21 by 8 which is equal to 2.6. Okay, so the option A is the correct one. All the best. Subscribe பண்ணுங்க, like பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க students. Thank you.